patrons, this is Megan and I am back today with a video for you all. So I know it's been a while since I posted, and I was actually going to put this video up on YouTube because it is using my scrapbooking store design team kit, but I decided I've already done 3 projects with this kit for YouTube, so I thought I would give this one exclusively to my loving patrons. I am so happy that you are a patron and I appreciate your support so much. Yeah. So thank you for being here, and let's get to the fun part. You can see I am working with a lot of scraps on this one. So I think this is like the 4th layout or pocket page, I guess. I made 2 layouts and then 2 pocket pages with the kit this month. And this kit was using, what was it? It was a Disney, I think Say Cheese Christmas is what it's called, from Simple Stories. And we're not really Disney people, so I kind of just ignored the Disney aspect because it's a really super duper cute kit. So here you can see I'm trying to decide what I'm doing and how I'm going about putting all of the photos. I had a lot of photos on this page, and some of them are Christmas themes, some of them are not. I think most of them aren't, but I'm just going to use the Christmas theme anyway, and it works out really well. I'm really happy with how this one turned out. I think this spread took me maybe 40 minutes to make. So here you can see I'm going through the papers and trying to decide what I am going to do. And I think I'm looking for 2 more cards. So a 4x6 one for that very top left photo, the 2 photos there, and then a 3x4 for the one, yeah, there in the middle. That one. Sorry, I am so tired today. This week has just kicked my butt, and yeah, it's insane how crazy work has been. Well, and I've also been sick. I had a UTI that turned into a kidney infection, so that was really fun. And I'm on an antibiotic now that is actually helping. The first antibiotic that I took didn't help, and that's why it turned into a kidney infection. And yeah, it was awful, really awful, but it's okay now. So I'm on the mend, and I'm trying to sleep as much as I can just to help my body kind of like recuperate. Okay, sorry. I keep going off on tangents. Here you can see I have this cute photo of Jonas giving me 2 thumbs up. He and Brennan were watching, I don't remember if they were watching a Christmas movie or just a TV show. I think it was a Christmas movie. And then I have that cute picture of Brennan wearing the Santa hat above Jonas. And then Max and Jonas next to the photo of Brennan in the Santa hat. So I just thought these were some fun little photos, just random moments in our lives. And that's really what I like to do with my pocket pages, is add in those random moments that maybe don't really need a full 12x12 layout. So here I decided to put this little word that I cut out from, I think it was from one of the cut apart sheets. So I just cut out the word cheer, and then there's some little like stars and snowflakes, I think, that I'm going to glue around it as well. So there you can see. I'm going to start adding those in. And I am almost done with this page. This one was really simple, and I kind of like to keep my pocket pages that way, especially lately where I'm working on this 2017 album, and this is like the fourth year that I'm working, well, third year, I guess, technically, because 2017 was not 4 years ago. So I'm like, okay, let's just get it done, get these memories, on the page and in the album. And so I'm not trying to be a perfectionist, and I'm not trying to make it be amazing. Although I really do love all of my pocket pages. I mean, some I don't love as much as others, but I really do love how this one turned out. Very simple and just easy. I'm trying to figure out what the heck I want to do with those two photos on the top. I wasn't really sure. They were too big to cut down, and so I didn't want to use up a pattern piece of paper because that would make me sad because you wouldn't be able to see the pattern behind it. And then I just decided, okay, whatever. I'm just going to use the pattern paper, because there was a little teeny tiny bit. I wish I would have just cut them down. I don't know why I just didn't cut down the photos. But anyway, I decided to use the pattern paper after all. And now I'm just going to put some finishing touches. I'm going to add some stickers from the 12x12 sticker sheet that came in the main kit. So I am on the design team for the Scrapbooking Store Kit Club. And this one was our December kit. If you are curious and you would like to become a member, I will leave a link below in the description so that you can go sign up, because this kit club is seriously one of the most affordable kit clubs that I have ever seen out there. And they're not like every other kit club out there. They use older collections, but it's like fun older collections that you actually want, right? So I really, really love it, and I hope that you'll come and check it out. Thanks so much for being a patron and a Crafty Meggy Club member. I hope you are having a wonderful December, and I will see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye!